Hello guys, welcome to again our YouTube channel, and in this advanced Excel learning video we will discuss some advanced features of conditional formatting tool. Using this tool we highlight over any required cell or any row or any column with the help of using this tool. This is our example data sheet, and if the main task is that if I select any head of account in drop down menu list, for example petty cash expenses, all petty cash expenses must be highlighted in this column. We can do this job easily with the help of conditional formatting tool. Select this column through Ctrl, Shift and down arrow key and go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting tool. In Conditional Formatting tool, select New Rule. The dialog box will be appear on the screen. There are many options available at here. Select last option and then click on from cell bar and then click on C6 cell, means first cell of our head of account column. The reference will be generated at here with $sign. Please wait. You can see easily, but we don't need $sign at here, so should be removed this one and this one. Click at here and press equal to sign and then click at here. You will select your head of account, right? And then click on format button and then go to the fill tab. There are many colors available at here. Select any color as you like, this one or this one, and click. You can bold or italic at here, right? Click OK and then click OK. Select any head of account in drop down menu list, for example petty cash. All petty cash expenses are highlighted at here, right? If we select any other head of account, means salary expense, there is only one entry at here, right? And select any other account, repair maintenance, this here, right? Now in second condition, if we select over entire, if we highlight over entire row, what should we do? Go to the next sheet, same data sheet available at here. First of all, select over entire data, through Control, Shift and arrow keys. At least same procedure, go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting tool. In Conditional Formatting tool, select New Rule, right? Same dialog box appearing at here. Select last option and then click at here and then click on our C6 cell, right? Now in this case, we should match our entire row from this cell, right? So $sign should be removed only at here, right? Only remove at here and press equal to sign and then click at here. You will select over your head of account and click on format button. Select any color in fill tab, this one or this one, or this one, and click OK, and then click OK again. The drop down menu list is not available at here. Don't worry, go to the click at here, go to the data tab, and then click data validation. In data validation, select list option at here, right, and then click at here and go to the first sheet. All head of account lists are available at here. Select all head of accounts and press 2 times enter, 1 and 2, right? Magic. All head of accounts are now available. Select petty cash expenses now. Our entire overall row is highlighted in color, right? If we select any other account, means printing and stationery, there are some entries at here, right? Now, in third condition, if we highlight over entire column, right? If we highlight over entire column, what should we do? Go to the sheet 4, same data is available at here. Select over entire data from date column, right? This and this, like this, right? And then go to the home tab, click condition formatting tool, and then new rule. The dialog box will appear on the screen, and select last option and then click at here, and now click on date cell, right? Magnifying. Now in this step we should remove $sign only over column here, right? This removed, and click at here and press equal to sign, and then click over this cell. You will select your head of account, right? Go to the format tab, select any color and click OK, and then click OK again, right? If we drop down menu list is already available at here, select voucher number. Now entire column is now highlighted in color, right? If we select any other head of account, right? So we can use condition formatting tool in many ways. You can use many formulas like if-else formulas and other formulas in formula text bar. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and share this video on social media and WhatsApp group. We upload advanced Excel learning videos and business related videos on every week. We are also providing bookkeeping services, full charge bookkeeping services in very nominal prices. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.